Hey everybody, David from Caribbean Art Prints here. Yo! And in this video, we're going to discuss the differences between matte paper and glossy paper for your prints and which one is right for you. Let's go! Okay, so when it comes to printing, choosing the right paper can make a huge difference in the quality of your final product. Matte and glossy papers are two of the most popular options available, and each come with their own unique characteristics. Let's start with matte paper first. Matte paper has a non-reflective surface, which kind of gives it a soft and velvety texture.
All right.
And the lack of reflection means that the colors that are printed on top of matte paper are more subdued, they're less vibrant than when they're printed on a glossy paper. However, this can make images appear more natural and true to life.
Is this real life?
Additionally, fingerprints don't really show up on matte papers when you handle them. On the other hand, glossy paper has a shiny and reflective surface, and a lot of people think that makes it look more professional, more high-end. It's often used for print photography, brochures, marketing materials, things of that nature. So the glossy surface actually enhances the colors, leading it to look more vibrant and eye-catching.
Wow.
But the reflection can also create glare, which kind of makes it hard to see in certain lighting conditions. And of course, the glossy surface is more prone to fingerprints and smudges, so you have to be very careful when handling it, and just keep that in the back of your mind. Okay, here are some examples. I printed out the same image on matte and also glossy, and we can compare them and see which one speaks to you. Alright, so take a look at these. This one is the matte. You see it's like not reflective. Move it across the light, like it doesn't really change. This one is the gloss paper, and you can see light bouncing off of it. It might be kind of hard to see at some points, but definitely more saturated than the matte one. Also important to note that when you put this in a frame, it will also be a little reflective. So if the reflectivity is what you're going for, and you still want like something more natural, true to life, you could still go with the matte and put it in a nice frame. Otherwise, glossy. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Okay, so which one should you choose? Ultimately, it comes down to the purpose of the print and also personal preference. If you are the type of person that likes images that look very natural and true to life, then matte paper is for you. If you want something that is more saturated, very poppy and bright, colorful, then I would say glossy paper. You don't mind being a little more careful when you handle the print, then 100% glossy paper. Alright, that's it. I hope this video helps you understand the differences in the two types of paper we looked at today, and let me know which one you choose on in the comments. Let me know. As always, please like, subscribe, share. Appreciate you. Alright, see you in the next one.